If you have ever looked into the mirror and noticed those stubborn gray hair, or are you the one struggling with the white overtaking too soon? So trust me, you are not alone. I am Dr. Madiha Bhayani, a licensed hair care practitioner, and I have helped many of my clients, and including myself. So I'll be taking you to that journey which helped me to gain my hair from this to this. Today I have brought you an amazing, unique, and yet scientifically backed up hair oil remedy that not only will nurture your scalp and your hair but will also help you to reverse your gray hairs and bring your pigment back. The results shown here are not magic. They are the combination and result of the real science and the natural ingredients working together. Because in this only video, I have showed you how to make this oil and how to apply this oil, what are the do's and don'ts of applying this remedy, and how you can get the best results out of it. So without wasting any time, let's straight dive into the remedy.
Begin by choosing the right pan. An iron pan is the best, preferably a cast iron one. Cast iron naturally releases a small amount of iron into the oil, which can help strengthen the hair follicles and support better blood circulation in the scalp. This is especially important for those with iron deficiency related hair issues. If you don't have the cast iron, a clean, rust-free natural iron pot also works well. Next, pour in approximately 1 cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil is an age-old remedy recommended in both traditional and modern hair care practices. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which deeply nourishes the scalp and hair follicles. And you know what? It also helps regulate the scalp's pH, thus preventing the dryness and your premature graying, a problem that many people face due to oxidative stress. Does anyone of you know the normal pH of the scalp? Do comment down below, and whoever give me the correct answer, I'll pin their comment. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is actually an excellent natural emollient that penetrates the hair shaft and also reduces the protein loss from impure hair, thus improving the overall hair health. Its antimicrobial properties help keep your scalp healthy by protecting against the bacterial or any fungal infections that can contribute to the hair loss and the scalp irritation too. Now it's time for one of my favorite ingredients, which is fresh aloe vera. Take the aloe vera plant itself, cut it and soak the pieces in the water for at least few hours. I would personally suggest you to soak it overnight. This process helps remove all the yellow sap, which is known as aloin. Actually, it can take some time, but it is very important to take that out. Otherwise, it can sometimes be so irritating on your sensitive scalps. Once that's removed, you'll be left with the pure soothing gel that's packed with enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that only calm the inflammation, hydrate the scalp, and also stimulate the hair growth. So use around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel. It's a natural moisturizer that can help reduce the itchiness, flakiness, and even it promotes the hair growth. Or the second option is to cut this aloe vera with its green outer layer into these small pieces and just add it into smaller pieces like I'm doing here. Next, I'll add about 3 tablespoons of black seeds, which is also known as kalonji seeds. These tiny seeds are powerhouse of thymoquinone, which is a compound with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. You know, kalonji helps reduces the hair fall by strengthening the hair roots also, and it can also help alleviate dandruff, which is a common cause of scalp inflammation. Now we'll add a generous spoonful of neem powder. Neem is well known for its potent antibacterial and also antifungal qualities, which help keep the scalp free from infections that can block hair follicles and hinder growth. It also reduces itchiness and flakiness, creating a healthy environment for the hair to thrive. If you don't have neem powder, you can also use dried neem leaves. Just crush them slightly before adding to the oil. Now comes my favorite ingredient. This is turmeric. Sprinkle in just a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps calm any irritation on your scalp and supports the overall scalp health. Turmeric can also help prevent minor infections that sometimes occur when the hair follicles get clogged or inflamed. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of amla powder. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is packed with vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that helps strengthen the hair roots. Also, it improves the collagen production and can even slow down your premature graying by fighting the free radical. If you have whole dried amla instead of powder, that works too. Just make sure it's clean and free from any mold. Finally, add a few dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary is a time-tested herb that stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promotes hair growth, and can help reduce the hair shedding. But here we are using because it prevents our hair pigment and thus preventing us our gray hair and also gives you chance to get your black hair back. It also has mild antibacterial properties, thus supporting your scalp health, keeping that follicles clean and unclogged. You have to make sure to keep stirring it as it has some powder elements in it, and to make sure it doesn't make any clump or lump, you have to make sure to keep stirring. Take an onion, wash it thoroughly and dry it completely. Chop it roughly but don't remove the peel. The onion peel contains a the onion peel contains quercetin, which is a powerful antioxidant, helps protect the hair from environmental stress and damage. You know, onion itself is incredibly you know that onion itself is incredibly beneficial for the hair health. It's rich in sulfur, which supports the keratin production, strengthens the hair strands, and reduces the hair thinning and breakage. It also helps maintain a healthy scalp by balancing the oil production. Now it's time to cook this mixture. This step is crucial, so please listen to me very carefully. Keep the flame very slow. Remember, when you cook slowly, you preserve the integrity of these delicate ingredients and ensure that all the nutrients are infused into the oil. Here is an important point. Always cook on a low flame. Cooking on a high heat might speed things up, but it destroys many of the beneficial compounds in the ingredients. Stir the mixture occasionally to prevent the sticking or burning at the bottom of the pan. And here, patience is the key. And here's a quick tip. Some people avoid using onion because of its strong smell, but when properly infused in oil, the scent becomes milder and you get all the benefits without the overpowering odor. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Let the mixture cook gently on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. During this time, all the natural compounds from the ingredients will be released into the oil, creating a potent infusion that's deeply nourishing for your scalp and your hair. Once the oil is done cooking, turn off the heat but let it cool naturally in the pan. The slow cooling allows the oil to steep even more, maximizing its benefits. Once it's at room temperature, strain it carefully using a muslin cloth or fine sieve will do and store it in a clean, dry, airtight bottle to maintain its quality. Make sure this step is very important. And there you have it, a powerful scientifically informed hair oil designed to combat grey and white hair naturally while also nourishing your scalp and strengthening your hair from the roots.
The application is very simple yet very tricky. This oil has to be applied 2 to 3 times a week and be consistent with your application. If you're someone who are using my other oil, you can obviously substitute or you can use one oil in a week and the other day you can use that other oil. Both are equally beneficial. But if you're someone using henna or indigo or any sort of black hair mask, you can use it. You can even apply it before applying the hair oil. How to regimen that? You have to apply that mask first. Rinse off your hair with the plain water. Do not use shampoo. And then in the night of that, you can use this hair oil. Keep that oil overnight. Make sure to cover your hair or put a sheet or something on your pillow cover so it doesn't get stained. And then next morning, you can wash your hair. In that case, if you apply it along with the henna mask or any other black hair mask, you can have the double power and you can have the good results also. If you are someone who's looking for that particular henna remedy, you can click here. And if you're someone who's looking for my famous hair oil which turns your hair black, you can click here. I'll see you there. Till then, bye bye.